జై శ్రీమన్నారాయణ. శ్రీమద్భగవద్గీత 7th చాప్టర్ జ్ఞాన విజ్ఞాన యోగము 23rd శ్లోక. గీతాచార్య శ్రీకృష్ణ పరమాత్మ giving his teachings to each and every one of us, including Arjuna. Krishna Paramatma saying that, Arjuna, due to sinful activities are performed, people will be more inclined towards enjoying mundane pleasures. And because they have that desires to enjoy objects of this world, they will approach all other devatas other than me. And now these people, they are wanting the pleasures which has very limited time, and they are seeking very limited happiness. They are seeking very limited pleasure. That means they are seeking alpa phalam, very low fruits. That means they have alpa buddhi. And now to get those fruits, alpa phalam, they approach devatas. And devatas also have very limited source. They do not have unlimited source. Now what the devotee asking is also alpa phalam. What the devata also can give is alpa phalam. So that is how they all will end up with alpa phalam, and they all will end up in this cycle of birth and death. Whereas if they come to me, as I have unlimited happiness, I have unlimited source, whatever I have, I will give them, and they will get unlimited happiness. Because they are worshipping me, they will attain me, and they will be happy forever just like me. They will be out of this cycle of birth and death. Whereas those who worships other devatas, they will end up with very limited happiness, and they will end up in this cycle of birth and death. Like this, Sri Krishna Paramatma making it very clear that only He can give us unlimited happiness. Only if we worship Krishna Paramatma, we get out of this cycle of birth and death. Having Sri Krishna Paramatma's teachings running in our thoughts, now let us repeat Sri Krishna Paramatma's words as it is. Antavattu phalam tesham tadbhavati alpamedhasam devan devayejo yanti madbhakta yanti mamapi. Om. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do the following. Krishna Paramatma says, always think about me, become my devotee, keep on performing all your prescribed duties as my service. Keep on remembering the fact that you are my belonging, and keep doing namaskaram to me. Surrender to me alone unconditionally. Mamekam saranam vraja. Do not cry. Ma suchaha. keep on remembering my teachings every day by reading at least one Gita sloka. Keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. If you keep doing like this, you will become my most beloved devotee, and I shall liberate you from all kind of sins. Now let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. O Sriman Narayana, I shall keep on meditating upon you. O Sriman Narayana, I shall become your devotee. O Sriman Narayana, I shall keep performing all my prescribed duties as your service. O Sriman Narayana, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging, and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. O Sriman Narayana, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Sriman Narayana, I shall not cry anymore. O Sriman Narayana, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least one Gita sloka. O Sriman Narayana, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. O Sriman Narayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. Sriman Narayana, Karishye Vachanam Tava. Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. Nigamakalpataror galitam phalam Sukhamukhadamruta sanyutam Pibata Bhagavatam rasamalayam Muhuraho Rasika Bhuvi Bhavukaha. Namaskaram to Sri Sukha Yogindra. Yam pravrajantam apeta krutyam Dvaipayano virahakatara ajuhava Putreti tanmayataya taravo vineduhu Tam sarva bhuta hrudayam Munimanatosmi. Namaskaram to Naranarayana, Chaturmukha Brahma, Saraswati Devi, Vyasa Maharshi. Narayanam namaskritya naram chaiva narottamam devim saraswatim vyasam tato jayam udirayet. In Srimad Bhagavatam Tritiya Skandham, Suta Mahamuni giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Sri Sukha Yogindra giving his teachings to Parikshin Narendra, saying that, O Parikshin Narendra, Maitreya teaching the process of Srushti to Vidura, saying that, O Vidura, from Chaturmukha Brahma's thighs, Vishovartanta tasya urvoho, the Vaisyas comes out. They are the one who brings the sources for all the souls live on this earth. Buying, selling, agriculture, taking care of cows, all these are their responsibilities. So they are known as Vaishyas. Then Vidura, from Chaturmukha Brahma's feet, Padbhyam Bhagavato Jagye Susrusha Dharma Siddhaye. The Sudras comes. Their main responsibility is to fulfill all righteous activities, dharmika karma, and they comes out from the divine feet because their main job is to go here and there, and for that padam, feet is very important. So that is why from the feet these Sudras comes out. Vidura, yete varnaha swadharmena yajanti swagurum harim these four categorized souls. They will be doing their own activities. Whatever the prescribed duties are there, they have to fulfill, and through their activities, they will be worshipping Sriman Narayana. They have to put all of their Shraddha in their prescribed duties, and that is what is Aradhana to Sriman Narayana. If they perform their prescribed duties with all of their Shraddha and as a service of Sriman Narayana, then their Antahkaranam will get purified. Oh Vidura, though it seems like Chaturmukha brought out this entire Srishti, but Sriman Narayana is the one who is there as Antaryami in Chaturmukha Brahma and made Chaturmukha Brahma do this entire Srishti. Like this Kalam, Karma, all these Jivas, everything is under control of Sriman Narayana. That Paramatma's Yoga Maya Balodayam, only with his Sankalpa Balam, only with his Antarangika Shakti, this entire Srishti comes out. Vidura, such great Sankalpa Shakti of Sriman Narayana, Kasraddadhyat Upakartum. Who would imagine, who would be able to measure that Shakti of Paramatma? Nobody can imagine the amount of Sankalpa Shakti, Yoga Maya Balam of Sriman Narayana. Like this, Maitreya teaching to Vidura. What happens next? We will learn tomorrow. Om Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmadgurubhyo Namaha. Mukundamala. Krishna Rakshatu no Jagatraya Guruhu Krishnam Namasyamyaham. Krishne Namarashatravo Vinihataha. Krishnaya Tasmai Namaha. Krishnadeva Samuthitam Jagadidam Krishnasya Dasosmyaham. Krishne Tishtati Visvametadakhilam. He Krishna Samrakshamam. Srimad Bhagavad Gita, 7th chapter, 23rd sloka. Antavattu phalam tesham tadbhavati alpamedhasam devan devayajo yanti madbhakta yanti mamapi antavattu phalam tesham tadbhavati alpamedhasam devan devayajo yanti madbhakta yanti mamapi. Srimannarayana karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana.